Welcome to our guide on HR dashboards. In the modern workplace, human resources isn't just about hiring and payroll anymore. It is about data. Today, we are going to explore how HR dashboards help visualize that data to unlock powerful insights for your organization. So, what exactly is an HR dashboard? Think of it as your car's dashboard, but for your workforce. It is a business intelligence tool that takes complex data from different sources and displays it in a single, visual interface. Instead of reading thousands of rows in a spreadsheet, you see clear charts and graphs. Why should you care? First, they enable data-driven decisions, moving you away from guesswork. Second, they save massive amounts of time by automating reporting. And third, they help you spot trends, like a sudden spike in resignations, before they become critical problems. Let's look at some key metrics, starting with recruitment. You should track time to fill, which is how long it takes to hire someone. Also, cost per hire is crucial for budgeting. Visualizing these helps you understand if your hiring process is efficient or if it is costing you too much money and time. Next is retention and turnover. The turnover rate shows the percentage of employees leaving your company. If you see a red line spiking on your dashboard, like in the visual here, it is an immediate alert. A high turnover rate in a specific department usually signals management issues or burnout. Measuring happiness is hard, but dashboards make it easier. We use metrics like the Employee Net Promoter Score, or eNPS. This asks, would you recommend this place to a friend? Tracking this score over time gives you a pulse on the company culture. It is also vital to know who works for you. Demographics dashboards break down your workforce by department, age, tenure, or diversity. For example, knowing that 50% of your staff has been with you for less than a year might indicate a need for better onboarding programs. When building a dashboard, design matters. Do keep it simple, less is more. Use consistent colors so people don't get confused, and avoid the don'ts like cluttering the screen with too many charts or using flashy 3D effects that make data hard to read. You don't need to be a programmer to build one. You can start with Microsoft Excel. As you grow, you might move to Power BI or Tableau for deeper analytics. Many HR systems like Workday or Bamboo HR also come with built-in dashboard features. To wrap up, HR dashboards are essential for transforming raw data into business strategy. Start small with the metrics that matter most to you and build from there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into HR technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.